Power of your thoughts. Just close your eyes and start sensing everything around you. It can be the materials, the situations you're going through, your education, your job, your love life, your relationship with your children and your relatives. Each and everything is just the outcome of your thoughts. It is not only the thought, but your belief in what you think makes your life. With this in mind, let me narrate a small story written by a writer known as Sasson. One day, a disciple and his teacher were walking through the forest. The disciple was disturbed by the fact that his mind was in constant unrest. He asked his teacher, "Why most people's minds are restless and only few possess a calm mind? What can one do to still the mind?" The teacher looked at the disciple, smiled, and said, "I will tell you a story." On one beautiful day, an elephant was standing by the shade of a tree eating its leaves. Suddenly, a small fly came buzzing and landed on the elephant's ear. The elephant stayed calm and continued to eat, not heeding to the fly. The fly flew around the elephant's ear, buzzing noisily, yet the elephant seemed to be unaffected. This bewildered the fly and it asked, "Are you deaf?" "No," the elephant answered. "Why aren't you bothered by my buzz?" the fly asked. "Why are you so restless and noisy? Why can't you stay still just for a few moments?" asked the elephant, and peacefully continued eating the leaves. The fly answered, "Everything I see, hear, and feel attracts my attention, and all noises and movements affect around me affect my behavior. What is your secret? How can you stay so calm and still?" The elephant stopped eating and said, "My five senses do not disturb my peace because they do not rule my attention. I am in control of my mind and my thoughts, and therefore I can direct my attention where I want and ignore any disturbances, including your buzz. Now that I am eating, I am completely immersed in the act of eating. In this way, I can enjoy my food and chew it better. I am in control of my attention, and therefore I can stay peaceful." Upon hearing these words, the disciple's eyes opened wide, and a smile appeared on his face. He looked at his teacher and said, "I now understand. My mind will always be in constant unrest if my five senses and whatever happening in this world around me are in control of it. On the other hand, if I am in command of my five senses, able to disregard sense impressions, and able to control my thoughts, my mind will become calm and I will be able to disregard its restlessness." "Yes, that's right," answered the teacher. "The mind is restless and goes wherever the attention goes. Control your attention and you control your mind." Now let us see how our thoughts govern our life. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. The power of your thoughts. Our thoughts are very powerful instruments we use to either create happiness and wealth or sickness and poverty. The power of your thoughts. Nobody in the world can put a thought in your head without your permission. Your mind belongs to you. It's your job to control your thoughts. You are the master of your head. The power of your thoughts. Thoughts are visitors who visit the central station of the mind. They come, stay a while, and then disappear, making space for other thoughts. Some of these thoughts stay longer, gain power, and affect the life of the person thinking them. The power of your thoughts. If you consciously choose the thoughts, phrases, and words that you repeat in your mind, your life will start to change. You will begin creating new situations and circumstances. The power of your thoughts. Tap into the power of your thoughts to truly start thriving, growing, and living a happier life. Your thoughts drive your emotions. Your emotions drive your actions, and your actions drive your outcome. The power of your thoughts. Napoleon Hill said, "Success is something you must achieve without someone telling you what to do or why you should do it. Success comes to those who are proactive. Instead of drifting through life doing only what is required, successful people do the extra things that bring more meaning to life. The power of your thoughts. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. This captures the essence of mindfulness, bringing our attention to the present moment, the only moment we can ever be sure of. The power of your thoughts. Above all, be true to yourself. And if you cannot put your heart in it, take yourself out of it. The power of your thoughts. The way to get rid of darkness is with light. The way to overcome cold is with heat. The way to overcome the negative thought is to substitute the good thought. Affirm the good and the bad will vanish. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Yes, momentary world is changing at a rapid pace. It's high time for us to use the power of our thoughts to live a peaceful and satisfied life filled with abundance that is always overflowing. Thank you.